Hello and welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a very interesting tip. We have a list of certain countries here. It can be anything. And we would like to create a separate folder for each one of these countries. Now, looking at these hundreds of countries and the list, it will take me all night to create these folders. How can you do all of this in one click? Very simple. I'm going to give you this tip. Let's follow the formula. It will not take you more than 1.5 minutes. So right is equal to, and then in the commas, you write MD, which is a functionality to create a folder. Put a little space there as well, and then put an and sign. And with the and sign, you select the country name, column C and cell C2, and then close the parenthesis, which should give you a name MD, both of them. Click on it, and then it is all down there. Now, simply you have to select all this list, Control C, copy, and then you have to open your notepad. Remember, notepad. So I will open the notepad section, and it's very simple. You simply write in the notepad application the same column that you have copied. That's it. Simple as that. Now save this notepad file into the folder where you want to create these, let's say, particular folders. So Control C, and then I will go back to Notepad and I will save it. Location will be location where I want to save this. I will simply press not text file, but I should have to create a bat file. So I will say creation.bat and save it. Now it's closed. Creation has been created. Now it's going to be very simple, and be careful now. It will create the folders once I click on it. So I double click on the file and you see this execution happened and all the folders are created. Simple, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed it, fellows. Do share your comments in the comment section. If you like it, share it with your friends as well. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till the time we speak again, take care and bye-bye.